Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. Please like, share and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section.
Paga was created by a team of passionate Africans determined to tackle what we consider a critical issue paramount to Africa's development, that is to make financial services available to all Africans. They aim to accomplish this mission by working in partnership with select banks, microfinance institutions, and all mobile network operators. Paga works on the most basic SMS and on all mobile networks. Paga accounts available at your fingertips regardless of what phone or network you are using. Their core offering is a money transfer service. With Paga you can send money to anyone with a mobile phone, and you can send money and receive money from other countries. They also offer several other products such as buying and sending airtime credits, bill payments, and retail payments. For ultimate convenience, they provide several channels for consumers to use Paga: SMS, online, a mobile application, USSD or IVR. Paga is the best way to pay and get paid. Opening a Paga account by yourself is very easy, free and enables you to withdraw money at any of their easily accessible Paga agents across Nigeria or by cardless withdrawal at selected ATMs. Directly transfer money into any bank account in Nigeria or other Paga wallets. Pay bills like cable TV, internet subscriptions, electricity and other utilities. Buy airtime. Receive money from abroad. Your money travels with no visa. Money can be received on any handset in Nigeria with an active phone connection and a valid KYC-registered Paga wallet. You can also receive money directly to any bank account in Nigeria. To receive transfers from outside Nigeria, you must be either KYC2 or KYC3. What is KYC? KYC simply means, know your customer. It's a process through which they identify you so that you can do higher levels of transactions on Paga. Upgrading your KYC level is very simple. Just send the required documents to kyc@mypaga.com. For KYC 1. To be on this level, just create an account on Paga by yourself or at an authorized Paga administrative center. Information required is full name, phone number, email address. For KYC 2. To upgrade to this level, submit the items below to kyc@mypaga.com. Full name, phone number, date and place of birth, sex, home address, ID card and ID number of either current international passport or current driving license or national identity card. Scan copy of your passport photograph. BVN. For KYC 3. To advance to the highest level, you need to submit the following items to kyc@mypaga.com. Full name, phone number, date and place of birth, sex, home address, proof of address, ID card and ID number of either current international passport or current driving license or national identity card. Scan copy of your passport photograph. BVN. Paga's international remittance partners. Partner coverage, that means Paga is available in the following countries: Nigeria, USA, UK, France, Germany, UAE, Bahrain, Portugal, South Africa, Kenya, Australia, Belgium, Spain, Italy, Senegal, Canada, Ireland, New Zealand, Sweden, Norway, Slovakia.
If you're still watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and leave a comment. Feel free to ask questions.